Hi, everybody. I'm meteorologist Haley LaPointe. Here's a look at your Memorial Day forecast. We are starting out the morning on a damp and chilly side. Temperatures in the 40s for most, with rain moving through, and it will continue for most until about lunchtime. Then beyond that, most of the rain is in the North Country, while central and southern areas try to break out and see some sunshine. I'm optimistic we'll see it by sunset, but not many hours of seeing the sun today. Temperatures eventually climbing into the upper 50s, close to 60 in places like Manchester and Nashua, which is much milder than it's been the past couple of days when temperatures have been stuck in the 40s almost all day long. Today, the winds will be light out of the west-northwest, and we've got the showers rolling through, especially in the North Country. That's where you'll see the rain hanging on the longest. So far, at least over the last 24 hours or so, few places approaching an inch of rainfall, even over an inch and a quarter in Greenland, Hollis, about 0.98 inches, and we're about 3/4 of an inch in Claremont. So very beneficial rainfall, helping out with the drought situation, and the pollen situation too been drastically reduced because of this rain moving through. But it of course came at a price, with these showers falling during the long holiday weekend. And for Memorial Day morning, we're having these showers moving through, so parades and different remembrance ceremonies probably not the most pleasant today because of these showers and just the cool temperatures we've had in place too. So the showers continue to move from the south to the north. This is noontime, and notice that we're starting to dry out in southern New Hampshire, whereas showers are still in place central and north. Here's 3 p.m. and we're starting to see more drying heading northward. And there you go. There's 6 o'clock tonight, and there's a brief appearance of the sun just in time for the long weekend to end, right? But at least if you're doing a barbecue tonight, it should be dry. Then as we get into the work week, Tuesday, we'll have sunshine with some clouds moving through. Should be a dry day, and temperatures a lot warmer. Into the 70s we'll go. We could even get close to the 80s by Wednesday, with temperatures in the upper 70s, close to 80 degrees. And we'll be in the 70s as well for Thursday and Friday after such a raw, cool weekend. So after today's rain, especially in the morning, we'll see some late days sun, and then it's brighter Tuesday, Wednesday, unsettled with more humidity, higher heat, and the chance of showers and thunderstorms Thursday, Friday. This next weekend looks hot.